May show?
Yes, ma'am.
Sige. Kakastart lang po ba?
Yes, ma'am.
For a better future. My name is Kenji and I will be your host for this afternoon. So a quick background information about Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo is a private rescue center for endangered and wild animals. And we have been preserving these animals since 2005. And we are in coordination with the DNR, DOC, and PAI. Now as a way of saying, thank you for being with us in this crocodile afternoon. We brought you the show where you will meet our animal ambassador and to get your free selfies after the show. But before that, I have some friendly reminders for you to follow na. Okay? So unang-una po sa mga nakatayo, please pumulong po tayo. And guys, do not attempt to catch your animal while the show is on the way. Please for the safety and for the safety of our animals as well. Second, for those who are eating, I'm so sorry but food is not allowed. So kindly finish it up or finish it later after the show. And lastly, for those who want to take photos or videos of animals, bawal po ang camera. Hindi, joke lang. Pwede po yung camera as long as naka-off na yung flash, okay? Because our animals here are light sensitive, so kindly disable yung flash so we can have a smooth, safe show. So why do we call them our animal ambassador? Because they represent their own kind and the rest of the animal kingdom. That's to give us a message. Let's protect, preserve, and conserve, and do not destroy their habitat. So please, help us in our mission in conserving them. And guys, we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. At mukhang ready na sila sa likod post. The question is, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? More energy, are you ready to meet our animal ambassadors? Maintain the enemy of hope, preparing cameras, giving you this welcoming flight. May we call on Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle. There you go, guys. So that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with a scientific name of Halientis locugaster. Loco meaning white and gaster meaning belly, therefore the white-bellied sea eagle. Now white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found in near coastal areas of India, Australia, and also here in the Philippines. Now white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines, with a wingspan that can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan kalapad ang kanilang mga pakpak, lalong-lalo na pag umabot na sila sa kanyang anong size. Palakpakan din sila guys. Now let's meet our second raptor. He will show you how they hunt. Now may we call on Pagaspas, our Philippines urban eagle. Now this afternoon, Pagaspas will show us how they hunt. So kuya natin here na merong coin lizard at syempre, iyahan din Pagaspas. And yan, hindi na ito yung lizard buboy. Pagaspas and there you go. Once they are in flight, they will lock and dive on their target, silence first, and they can identify which prey are venomous or non-venomous. So they will adjust their attacks based on their target. Now, Philippine serpent eagle has a scientific name of Spilornis uluspilus. Spilo means spotted and ornis meaning bird. As you can see, Pagaspas has spots all over its body. And Philippine serpent eagle are endemic here in the Philippines, meaning they can only be found here in the Philippines, which is based from their names. Now, Pagaspas and Lakas are raptors. Raptors came from the Latin word rapir, meaning to seize or to run away. As you can see guys, Rakuya natin here is wearing a protective gloves because most raptors have sharp and powerful talons. And raptors guys practice food parasitism. Food parasitism is stealing of foods from the other animals. So, nangunguha sila pagkain from the other animals. Now in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. But here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors, namely the Bravinicai, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippine serpent eagle, and the grass owl. That's all for our raptors, folks. Palakpakan natin sila. At syempre, ang kanilang mga pogi kuya na si Kuya Sayo at si Kuya Jimar. Ayan. Now, for our next animal ambassador, makulay po ito. At galing pa itong Brazil, particularly the Amazon forest. Now, may we call on Barak. Tell you, our blue and gold mako with Kuya Richie. Ayan. Now, blue and gold mako, that's a scientific name of Ararauna, meaning genius. So why do we call them geniuses? Because they have a mental capacity of a 4-year-old child. So, magkasing talino ng iba ang 4 na taong gulang ng bata. And just like Kong Paros guys, si parang kami tinatawag na zygodactyl feet. So what is zygodactyl feet nga ba? Papakita ni Barak using a Filipino footwear called tada! Kadang-kadang. Now so hot boy and March. Yeah, there you go. So that is zygodactyl feet in action. To the front, to the back, allowing you to grab some items. Now marching boy, left, right, left, and baba. Good boy, palakpakan natin si Barak. At dahil yan, may pa-high five ka kay Kuya Richie mo. High five? High five Barak. Ayan. And bilang yan, si Barak ay super sweet din. Ito. No, Barak, kiss to Kuya Richie sa cheeks. Sige nga. Kiss nga. Mwah. Parang nabigyan si Barak guys. Isa pa Kuya Richie, sa kabilang piscina naman. 1, 2, 3, and wow. And bilang yan, si Barak ay isang eco warrior din. Who here segregates their trash? Sino dito ang nagsesegregate ng kanilang mga basura? Taas ang kamay. Nagsesegregate. Wala, walang friend. We also have a biodegradable bin or hindi na bubulok at syempre. I-check yan di ba? Kung gumagana. Kung gumagana ba lahat? Ayan, para. Kuya Richie, are you ready? The count of 3. Lapag ang basura. 1, 2, 3, and go! So, anong unang kumuha ni Barak? A piece of plastic, which is gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Another piece of flash point. This time, leaf or dahon. Saan nga ba ilalagay dahon? To the biodegradable bin. Another piece of flash point. This time, plastic na naman. Saan nga ba ilalagay ang plastic? To the non-biodegradable bin. Now, one last piece of flash point. This time, leaf or dahon. Obviously, saan ilalagay? To the biodegradable bin. Palakpakan.
So smart.
Ayun, see guys, kung kayang-kaya ni Barak mag-segregate ng basura, syempre, kayang-kaya nila ni folks. Sana itularan natin si Barak guys, okay? At dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam niyo muna siya. So mga ma'am and sir, mga ate, mga kuya, way bye-bye to Barak po, way bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Barak, babay na, nagbabay na sila sa'yo. Bye-bye Barak. Bye-bye Barak. Bye-bye.
Okay.
Agoy.
Bye-bye.
Okay Barak, bye-bye. Okay Barak, bye-bye. Nagbabay na sila sa'yo. Bye-bye na. Agoy, parang ayaw pa kumalis Barak. One last time. Bye-bye Barak, bye-bye. Agoy. Pag ginagawa ni Barak, ibig sabihin, gusto pa niya mag-stay sa show. But we need to highlight our other animal ambassador naman. Now, that's all for Barak folks. Palakpakan natin sila. At syempre, ang kanyang bowling trainer, si Kuya Richie. Now, paano ba kawag blue and gold macos? Blue and gold macos are the 4th largest parrot in the entire world. First is the blue hyacinth macaw. Now, for our next animal ambassador, galing pa itong South Cotabato, and they call them the alarm clock of the rainforest, the Kalam, the Philippine Great Hornbill, as si Mr. Bill. Now, come here the boy. And there you go. Di rin magpapahuli ang kanyang younger brother na si JJ. At syempre, alabas na din niya si JJ yun guys. Nagpapapogi pa si JJ. And there you go. So that is JJ. So again, that is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine Great Hornbill with a scientific name of Buceros indanensis. Inda meaning Mindanao and ensis meaning belonging to. Therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka, it comprises 30% of its body. And they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita niyo sila sa malapitan. Digital din yan, hindi sila napa-extension. Ayan. And this afternoon, magpapakitang gila sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have some job for you to follow muna, okay? Okay, papalakin muna natin si Mr. Bill kay Kuya Sayo. And, no. Before sila makakita na natin, I need a job for you to follow muna, okay? At the count of 3, we need to shout live. Now, let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... Live. Asan yung energy? Lagyan din ng energy para gano'n naman yung mga kaalaw natin. Now, once again, 1, 2, 3, and... And maintain that energy now, folks. Prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... What a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ. Now guys, if you see a hornbill doing that in the wild, you are so very lucky because they are actually in mating ritual. So naliligo yung lalaking kalaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insect na nakain sa lalaking kalaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin siya ni ate girl na kalaw. And did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they found a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. Sana all talaga. Buti pa sa mga kaalam, forever, no? Now, once again, prepare your cameras. Pabilis lang to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... What a perfect catch. Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine rainforest, or also known as the alarm clocks of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Palakpakan natin natin mga kalaw. At syempre, ang kanilang mga kuya na si Kuya Jimmer at si Kuya Silent. Now, fun fact about hornbills, unlike most birds who walk from place to place, hornbills actually hop from face to face or tumatalon sila as their secondary means of locomotion. Now, for our next animal ambassador, puting-puti po ito guys at galing pa itong Indonesia. Just like clouds. Now, may we call on Apollo. And there you go. So that is Apollo, our umbrella-crested kakatu with a scientific name of Kakatua alba, meaning older brother in Indonesian. And you know guys, Apollo here is a multi-talented star. Who wants to see Apollo dance? Raise your hand. Ayan, hindi mo siya makita si Apollo sumayaw. Ayan, napakadami pa si Apollo. Ito na, how about Kuya Richie? Who wants to see Kuya Richie dance? That's a guy! Ayan, Kuya, mas madami ka pang fans kay Apollo. Paano yan? So, kayo dalawa sasayaw ha? Okay na ba, Kuya? Apollo? Now, Kuya June, hit it. And there you go. So that is the moonwalk made by the famous Michael Jackson na kapasipon. Ipakita mo sa kanila sa paano mag-moonwalk. And palakpakan natin si Apollo. And hindi natin matatawag na multi-talented star si Apollo. Isa lang ang kanyang talent. He also actually pang-provincia ng back-carto del Isay. No, Apollo, what do we do if we see a predator? May agil sa taas. Anong gagawin na, Apollo? Ayun na, may agil na, Apollo. Anong gagawin natin? There you go. Malakpakan natin si Apollo. So, they do that in the wild to cool their prey. So, nagpapatay pa kaya sila because most predators don't like rotten food. Ay, isa pa ka. No one more time, Apollo. Apollo, may agil na naman. Anong gagawin natin? Apollo, may agil na. Anong gagawin? Ay, good boy. Iba pang probinsyano, palakpakan natin si Apollo. At kahit artist na si Apollo, syempre, may interview yan. Ayan, Apollo, okay lang ba? Interview? Okay lang ba? Ayun, nag-agree siya, folks. Ayan. So, Apollo, sumugot ka na maayos ha. Apollo, ito. First question, Apollo, look at Kuya Richie. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Kuya Richie? Wow! Pogi daw! Sana all! Now, eto, parang alam mo na sagot ako guys. Now, Apollo, look at me. Am I good looking? Am I handsome? Pogi ba ako, Apollo? Isa pa. Parang... Bakit ganun, Apollo? What's reality? Ako hindi. So, let's take it sa mga guests na lang. So, eto, si Ma'am yan. Tumatawa sa akin, Apollo. Yan. Tignan mo si Ma'am naka-uniform. Ayan. Look at Ma'am. Is she pretty? Is she beautiful? Maganda ba si Ma'am, Apollo? Magandang dilag. Yun, nagbo-blush si Ma'am. So, let's take it sa mga boys naman. Ito si Apollo. Hey, sir, we're taking video sa'yo. Yan, look at Sir Apollo na naka-green. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Pogi ba si Sir? Wow! Pogi ka daw, sir! Ito bakit ganun? Ako lang yung hindi. Napakamayos ka rin Apollo na ito. One more time. Feel ko pawis lang to, kuya. Now, one more time, Apollo. Look at me. Am I good looking? Am I handsome? Pogi ba ako, Apollo? One more time. Pogi ba ako, Apollo? Ayaw talaga. Guys, palakpakan na lang natin si Apollo. Ito talaga ako. Pinapakulit mo talaga. At syempre, si Kuya Regina yun na yun. Napaka-bias talaga ni Apollo, guys. So, let's meet Apollo's older brother na lang. Now, may we call on Jumbo. Once again, Jumbo. And there you go. So that is Jumbo, our other umbrella-crested cockatoo. Now, did you know that the reason of our global warming is due to our pollution coming from our transportation? And this afternoon, Jumbo will show us how to lessen our carbon footprints using a... Ano dyan kayo sa rin? Labasan natin yan. Ding, 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 ding! Bicycle na sa Kaiboy. And Sikat, there you go! So, Sikat si Boy, pang first spacer, pang auman, and good boy. Palakpakan natin sa Apollo, guys. And to the kids out there, or maybe sa mga others who still don't know how to ride a bicycle, don't you worry, because this afternoon, tuturuan din tayo ni Jumbo how to ride a scooter na sakay ulit, boy. And there you go. So dahan-dahan lang madulas ng tingkod. And para lang, good boy. As you can see, guys, even our animals love to help our mother nature by doing the reuse, recycle, and repurpose, or some alternative ways for our transportation. That's all for Jumbo, guys. Palakpakan natin sila. At syempre, ang kanyang bogey kuya na si Kuya Cyril. Ayan. Now, here in Davao Crocodile Park Zoo, we have 4 species of cockatoos. First is the sulfur-crested cockatoo. Second is the umbrella-crested cockatoo, which is the Apollo sa Jumbo. Third is the black-thorn cockatoo. And fourth is the Bulugan cockatoo. Now, for our next animal ambassador, 3 in 1 to sila, guys. But before that, I have some questions muna. Okay. So, first question. What kind of animal is believed to have 9 lives? Cat, pusa, or ren? Tama. Second question. If Mickey is mouse, Donald is dog, what kind of animal is Winnie? Pooh. Sabi ni Ate Pooh yan. Ano kasi kahit si Winnie? Sino sabi ng Pooh? So, hindi po si Winnie, ang girl po si Winnie. Okay, ayan. So, last question. Last question, guys. Anong klaseng hayop at kamukha ng katabi nyo ngayon? Sabi na naman natin, monkey daw. But, di ako nasabi noon, pero you are correct natin. For our next animal ambassador, they have a face like a cat, a body like a bear, and a tail like a monkey. Now may I direct you to your left side. Now may we call on Teddy, our Palawan bear cat. Once again, that is Teddy, our Palawan bear cat with a scientific name of Artictis binturong, or locally known as the binturong, guys. Well, guys, did you know that their tail acts as a vacuum, meaning it is prehensile in nature? The meaning of prehensile is being able to grab. So they can grab sa mga objects na kasundalin lang ng ating mga kamay. Just po, ganyan na kanilang mga tail. Same sa mga monkey. At syempre, ipapakita yan din, Teddy, ngayong hapon po. Ayan, are you ready to go down, boy? Show them your prehensile tail. And there you go. So that is the prehensile tail in action. They do that in the world to grab some fruits hanging from a branch. Palakpakan natin si Teddy, guys. direct you to the right side naman. May we call on Uno, our other Palawan Bearcat. Yes, that is Uno, the older brother of Lenny. And guys, pagpasensya na natin si Uno kasi mahihain si Uno guys. So, you are still working with five animals as much as you want to play them. You don't want to change your behavior. Kung ayaw talaga mag-perform ni Uno, si Kuya Richie na lang yung packet na lang po. Hey, joke lang. Ayan. So, the reason that they're spare in their names because they can stand up using their two hind legs. At syempre, ipapakita yan ni Uno ay yung hapon po. And there you go. So that is their two hind legs in action. Thank you so much, Uno. So, fun fact about Palawan Bearcats, their poop and their feet smells like a fresh popcorn. Yes po, ganyan na ganyan yung poop nila. And omnivore sila. Meaning, kumakain sila ng prutas, gulay at karne. Ngayong hapon, anong pinapakain ng kuya? Ano yun guys? Saging or banana, which is fruit. Omnivore sila. So, meron na naman akong tanong. So, first question, anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore. How about meat or carne? Carnivore. How about herbs, grass, at carne? Omnivore. So, ito, last question. Ano naman klaseng hayop ang kumakain lang ng fruits or prutas? Fruit salad. Huwag kayo maniwala sa mga tingin sa atin. Hindi fruit salad yung sagot dyan. So, sino nakakata sa kamay? Hayop ang kumakain lang ng prutas. Wala. So, sige, tuturuan ko na lang kayo. The correct answer is frugivore. Sige nga, kung nakikinig kayo, ano yon? Frugivore. Frugi meaning fruits and vor or burus meaning eater. So, frugivore. So, hindi fruit salad na. And hindi fungivore guys. Frugivore. Ayan. So, before we proceed to our next animal ambassador, thank you so much po for visiting Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. As you're one of the destination here in Davao City. That's why palakpakan na natin mga sarili. Ayan. So, for our next animal ambassador, ito yung tinitian at ikinakikiligan ng maraming kababaihan. With fan favorite, tatawagin na natin na si Piolo at si Daniel.
Ay, wow.
Once again, Piolo. Daniel. Asan sila?
They lost it. Oh no. I don't know.
Folks, wait lang po, babalik na ako, okay? Wala ba mga kuya? Legit ba? Folks, paulit-ulitin mo sa pizza na we are still working with wild animals. As much as we want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Sabi natin ako yan, wala daw si Viola sila na sa ilong at nakatakas daw. Maybe check under exist, baka nandyan lang sila guys. And guys, ano yung nakita nyo? Please try to relax lang, okay? Tulungan nyo kami hanapin sila Viola sila. Confirm ba? Confirm ba mga kuya nandyan ba? Yung mga si Viola sila niya? Nandyan ba? And there you go! So that was Viola in the room. Our Jacob Giants. Ayan. So kung mabisita namin ang hindi pa nakikita sumawa na taas, pwede at lapitan natin mga Jacob Giants. Kasama nila si Kuya Richie at si Kuya Richie. Don't worry, already may nakapot po sila. So, sanay na sila sa inyo guys. Ayan. Just be careful. Don't push na sila kasi thank you so much, Kuya, for finding Piolo and Daniel. But, guys, before we meet Piolo and Daniel, we need 2 adult guests. Pero hindi ako yung mamimili yan, yung mga trainers natin. Sumusunod lang ako sa kanila, guys. Ayan. So, sino mauna Kuya Jimar? Kuya Jimar, sino yung masyadong bisita natin ngayon? Ayun daw si Ma'am na naka-yellow. Ayan. Ikaw lang po yung naka-yellow dito, Ma'am. Ikaw po. Siya po, Kuya. Ayan. So guys, palakpakan natin si Ma'am. Sulitin natin yung pangako sa Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo. Mag-picture taking lang tayo sa ating mga animal ng Blazo, no? Once again, palakpakan natin si Ma'am. Para may energy si Ma'am. Ayan. There you go. So that is our gentle giant. Let's see, Piolo at si Daniel. Ayan. So guys, once again, that is Piolo and Daniel, our gentle giants with a scientific name of Python bibigatus, our Burmese python. They are the third largest species snakes in the world, and they can reach up to 20 feet long and 90 kilograms. At si Piolo, nirate ko siya sa mga 5 to 6 feet, pero sila niya naman sa mga 8 to 9 kilograms. So medyo mabigat ang quantities. Pero sino una yung natin ito? Sabi ko si ma'am. Si ma'am. Ayan, ikaw yung una. Dito tayo sa kita. Hawakan ko yung snake mo. Ayan. So ma'am, sino kasama mo dito sa Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo?
May family.
Family, taas ang kamay, family. Ayan, so family, take a lot of beautiful pictures and videos from you, ma'am. Ayan, picture na natin si ma'am. Pang Friday, pang Facebook, pang Instagram. Ayan, marami kang like na makakuha doon, ma'am. Okay na ba? Okay na ba, family? Ayan, napakatapang ni ma'am. So once again, ma'am, thank you so much for participating. Palakpakan natin si ma'am, guys. Ayan, brave name, ma'am. At syempre si kuya din. So ma'am, dito tayo kita mo. So ma'am, ikaw naman, sinong kasama mo dito? Or who are you with?
Ako family po.
Family, 10 ko sila kabog, taas ang kamay. Now family, may regalo mong family mo. There you go. So that is our gentle giant. Kasi Piolo and then, don't worry ma'am, non-venomous naman yung mga ahas natin. So, hindi nakamamatay yung mga ganun nila. But they are constrictor. Meaning, sasakalin na yung pagkain bago nila lalamunin yung buong at bukang gutom yung dalawa. Ayan. So, family, take out a beautiful photo para kay ma'am. Ayan. So, medyo ma'am. Ilang, folks, anong oras ito? Ay, folks, napanchecking na tayo. Sobra na kami sa mga, sobrang kailangan ng mga merenda ng mga trainer. Hindi sila nakamerenda kanina. So, we need 15-minute break muna. Okay lang ba sa inyo, guys? 15-minute break. Ayan. So, ma'am, dyan ka lang muna. Mag-break muna kami sa 15 minutes. Hanapin mo kami sa entrance, mama, sa my office. So, once again, guys, break lang kami na 15 minutes. Palakpakan natin sila. Ayan. Dyan ka na, mama. Joke lang. Binibiro ka lang namin, ma'am. Ayan. So, ayan, ma'am. How's the snake, ma'am? Gumagalaw ba sila, ma'am?
Yeah.
Siyempre, buhay yan, magdadala talaga yan. Ayan, simulan natin yung snake ko niya. Ayan, napakatapang ni ma'am, guys. So once again, guys, thank you so much for participating, ma'am. Palakpakan natin si ma'am. At siyempre, si ma'am din kanina. Now, guys, here in Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, we have a mission. That is to protect, to preserve, and to conserve, and to educate these people about these lovely animals. The moment that you enter this facility, you are here to take some photos or videos of our animals. You are already helping us in conserving them. That's why our round of applause for yourself, guys. Now, i-meet na natin ang ating mga kuya na si Kuya Jimar, Kuya Richie with a snake, Kuya Cyril with a kalaw, at ating Bobby tour guide na si Kuya ko. At syempre, si Kuya Rindo sa taas and si Kuya Rindo sa taas. And once again, I am Kenji, and we are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay po niyo! Daghan kayo salamat sa Ayan, so as I promised guys, to those who want to take photos or videos of our animal ambassador, lapitan mo natin ating mga kuya na si Kuya Jimar with a snake, Kuya Cyril with the kalaw. Ayan. So guys, gusto mag-picture with a snake, ayan, malapitan nyo lang si Kuya G for fall in line lang po sa gitna. Ayan. Kung takot naman kayo sa snake, nandito yung kalaw natin with Kuya Cyril. Ayan. So sa mga bisita din natin na nag-enjoy sa show at gusto magbigay ng tip, nandyan lang yung tip box natin right at the center.
Thank you po. Buhay ba to, guys?
Kasi tabang sa itong ecosystem. Kaya sila ang nagakaon o fruit or seed. So, if makulog sa yuta, mag-regenerate sa art apple. So, hindi tawag sa ila.
Ay, hala, labot na. Ay! Ay, hala, labot na. Kasi nakakagulat. Hi! Akala ko kung ano, ibon pala. Hey! Hey! Hello? Do you speak? No, you don't. Ano bang ibon yung nagsasalita? No, dami nila. Ay, ayun siya, yung maingay. Ay, ang palit mo ah. Ingay mo ah. Ay! Ibon. Hello po. Ano po dito? Yan. Buhay ba yan? Ala. Ay, akala ko. Ala, ang dami. Ito, 120? 100? 100? Basta ako. Sige. Monkey.
Turtle. Hello, my friends.
Hi. Huy.
Oh, hawak good kaning malaong budi.
Mama?
Papa.
Hello po. Umaambon pero carry lang. Ay, wala.
Tanaw sige na.
Totoo.
Mau naman kay. Bulo dito kay. Ikaw sunod na siya.
Tara na. Papa, pagpayong papa. Ito na mi. Bye. Bye. Lonely mo kay Soy. Dili, dili, dili.
Naman gaw, tulog eh. Bugaw ka gaw.
Ako na mo papa.
Huy. Hello.
Pagpayong mo mga kapupoy pagpayong.
Kawawa ka naman. Sumasamahan kita dyan. Hello. Sad ka na ba dito? Hi. Hello, kawawa ka naman. Wala akong pagkain eh. Gutom ka? Ano bang tawag sa'yo? Gorilla? Monkey? Hindi ko alam ha. Grabe, naboboard na ako. Hindi ka naboboard. Bala ka nga dyan. Bye-bye. Ala, ano yun? Hi! ang ganda mo naman. Para kang ostrich. Oh my God, ginulat mo ko. Eh di wow. Katakot ka ah. Ay! Hello! Ay! Okay. Uy! Bye-bye! Ba't ang lungkot mo? Bye-bye! Hindi ko alam kung kailan ulit tayo magkikita. Pero sa susunod na pupunta ako dito, may pagkain na ako para sa'yo. Ito. Kala ko. Guys, ang dami na. Itong ibon na to. Hi! He heard me. Guys, umaambon, lumalakas. Tinatawag ako nito. Bawal pa kain. Ay, totoo sila buhay. Akala ko patay. Mahal ko rin siya. Bye-bye! I enjoyed a lot.